Hello and welcome to Math Made Easy with Punalam Tlawong. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at the law of cosine. The lesson objective is to use the law of cosine to solve triangles and to choose the method that solves the triangle. So you may find that you need to use the law of cosine, or you must use the angle sum of a triangle law to find the other missing side after using the cosine law. Okay, so the word that we'll be focusing on is law of cosine, knowing how to use it, knowing what it says, right? So here we go. We mostly use the law of cosine when we have an included angle and two sides. So we can use this law to find the missing side, the opposite side of the angle. Okay. So if we have angle A, then we can find side A. So basically the law, like you can see, it's A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2 BC cos A. So when we are looking for the side A, we have angle A. When we're looking for side B, we have angle B here. Okay. When we have C, we have angle C. Right. Let's go ahead and try and apply the law. Okay, so here we're given a diagram A, B, C, and we are asked to solve all the missing sides. So we'll start by looking at B. As we can see that we have an angle and two sides, so the angle is included. Okay, so in this case, we have B. We will say B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B. Okay, so you write the rule out first. Then now we are going to substitute our values. Let's substitute the value. So B squared, we don't know it. That's what we're looking for. Our A, the side opposite A, is 7 squared plus our C, the side opposite C, 5 squared minus 2, you repeat the AC, 7, 5, and then cos, our angle is 36. Okay. My advice is not to try and solve the whole thing. Like just put this in a calculator. Okay. So you go to your calculator, you press 7 squared plus 5 squared minus 2. You multiply it by 7. You multiply it by 5, as you can see on the screen, cos 36. Your calculator will give you B squared is equal to 17.368. So let's say 367. Then you find the square root so that you can get the value of B. This will give you the square root of 17.37. This will give you 4.1. So you can just say 4.2 because it's 1/6. 4.2. So our side is 4.2. Now we have all the sides here. The next thing we need to do is to find the missing angle. The missing angle. So when we are looking for the missing angle here, what we need to do is to find the smaller side. Because sometimes when you start by finding the big one, you might have an error in your calculation. So it's always best to start with the smallest angle. And you can use the sine rule now. Because you have this side 4.2, you can use the sine rule to find angle C. So you say sine C, because we're looking for angle C, divided by C is equal to, what do we have? We have B and B. Sine B over B. So what is our sine C? We don't know it. That's what we're looking for. And our C is 5 equal to sine. Our angle is 36. And then our B is 4.2. Okay, so come this side. Sine C will be equal to, so it will be the whole thing multiplied by 5. I'll just put it in the calculator. Like sine, you put sine 36 divided by 4.2 multiplied by 5, because we multiply both sides by 5 to get rid of the denominator. So now this will give us this will give us 0.9699. Okay, so now you can put this and say C will be equal to the second function. You press shift and then you put 0.699. Okay, that should give you your angle C. Shift sine 0.699. Okay, you get that your angle is 44.4. So that is our angle. Our angle here is 44. So to round it off, we just use 44 as our angle. Okay,